John Deere DB120 2026 is a powerhouse in modern farming, designed to push productivity to new heights. With its impressive 120-foot frame and 48 rows spaced at 30 inches, this planter is built for large-scale operations, helping farmers cover more ground in less time. It's a machine made for those who want efficiency without sacrificing precision. The 2026 model brings several upgrades, starting with the advanced ExactEmerge row units. These allow planting speeds of up to 10 mm while maintaining exceptional seed placement accuracy. The technology ensures precise singulation, spacing, and depth so crops emerge evenly and consistently. This means farmers can plant faster without worrying about losing yield potential. The hydraulic downforce system has also been enhanced. It automatically adjusts pressure in real time, keeping seeds at the right depth even across uneven fields. Whether you're dealing with soft soil or tougher patches, the DB120 adapts on the go, giving you consistent performance across every acre. One of the standout features of the DB120 2026 is the SeedStar 4HP monitoring system. This upgraded interface provides live data on seed population, skips, doubles, and row-by-row performance. The touchscreen display is user-friendly, giving farmers the information they need to make adjustments right from the cab. The central commodity system has been expanded as well, offering larger seed capacity. This means fewer stops to refill and more time spent planting, boosting overall efficiency during those critical planting windows. Despite its massive size, the DB120 2026 is surprisingly agile. Its flexible frame design allows it to follow the contours of the field, ensuring uniform seed-to-soil contact. And when it's time to move to another field, the advanced folding mechanism makes transport more manageable, cutting down on downtime between jobs. Connectivity is another highlight, with John Deere's JDLink technology, allowing remote monitoring through the John Deere Operations Center. From your phone or computer, you can track planting progress, machine health, and field performance. This level of data integration helps farmers make smarter, faster decisions, ultimately improving productivity and yield. The John Deere DB120 2026 is the perfect blend of size, speed, and precision, built for modern farmers who want to get the most out of every acre. It's a machine that delivers power, performance, and innovation season after season. Thanks for watching Autoverse, your go-to channel for the latest reviews, specs, and insights on agricultural machinery and cutting-edge technology. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the John Deere DB120 2026, be sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting content. Your support keeps us going, and we can't wait to share more with you. See you in the next video.